Welcome to Sagacity of AI. Ever wondered how AI can mirror human wisdom? Join us as we explore the Sagacity of AI. This journey will take you into the realm of how artificial intelligence learns, adapts, and collaborates with humans. What is Sagacity of AI? The term Sagacity refers to wisdom, insight, and sound judgment, qualities that guide us in making thoughtful decisions and understanding complex problems. When we talk about the Sagacity of AI, we're exploring how artificial intelligence can emulate or even enhance human-like wisdom through interaction, learning, and adaptation. At Sagacity of AI, we are dedicated in creating videos where an interactive experience between humans and AI come together to share knowledge, solve problems, and innovate. Through real-time dialogues and successful collaborations on topics like AI-facilitated art creation, DIY projects, AI-driven data analysis in research, brainstorming, or tackling daily challenges. Together, we can build a dynamic human-AI knowledge base. So how can artificial intelligence help us? AI holds the potential to transform industries and societies, driving innovation and efficiency. By embracing AI, you can be part of this revolution, contributing to a future where technology and humanity thrive together. Crucial ethical considerations ensure to benefit society as a whole. So why does AI need us? Although AI's adaptability is strong, AI's needs are continuous feedback, so these systems can evolve, thus improving their accuracy and efficiency over time. AI's ability to learn from experience is what sets AI apart. Our job is to teach AI, guiding its development and ensuring it aligns with human values and goals. By providing quality data and constructive input and feedback, we can help AI systems become more reliable, helpful, and aligned with our needs. Helps us be a teacher of AI. Tell me more about AI. Let's look what AI brings to society. AI enhances human capabilities, acting as a powerful ally rather than a replacement. With the help of AI, together we can solve complex problems from scientific research as well as bringing forth new creative projects, thus pushing the boundaries of what's possible. You can be part of this journey, thus exploring the limitless possibilities of AI-human synergy. What's the secret sauce? This interaction between us, the human intelligence and AI, helps AI to learn. This is called the Human Interaction Reaction Loop, HIRL. It's a continuous conversation where your feedback guides the AI's growth, making it smarter, more intuitive, and more helpful. AI systems learn by analyzing vast amounts of data, uncovering patterns, and making predictions. This process, known as machine learning, is powered by neural networks that mimic the human brain's structure and function. Join us on this exciting journey as we explore the frontier of human-AI collaboration, pushing the limits of what we can achieve together. Helps us engage with others to share thoughts and help shape the path forward. Together, we can create a world where AI and humans collaborate for the greater good. You can find us on YouTube, Sagacity of AI. See you there. Special note: why is the human interaction reaction loop so important? At the heart of this journey is the human interaction reaction loop, HIRL. This continuous process is where human input, reactions, and feedback guide the AI's learning and responses. This helps AI to better understand and improve its suggestions to us humans and become more intuitive over time. HIRL is a crucial part because it ensures that AI doesn't operate in isolation, but evolves through human guidance, thus fostering a symbiotic relationship as we humans provide insights and critical thinking. While AI offers innovative ideas and data-driven solutions, together, this feedback loop system accelerates learning, enhances decision-making, and paves the way for smarter, more empathetic AI systems. We look forward to see you partake in AI conversations on YouTube at Sagacity of AI.